In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use Slack, a popular app for team communication. Whether you're collaborating on a project or staying in touch with your team, Slack makes it easy to organize conversations, share files, and keep everyone on the same page. Download and install Slack. Go to the Slack website or your device's app store to download the Slack app. Install the app and open it. Create or join a workspace. Sign in with your email address or create a new account. If you're joining an existing workspace, enter the workspace URL or follow the invitation link sent to you. If you're creating a new workspace, follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. Navigate the interface. The main Slack interface is divided into channels, direct messages, DMs, and apps. Channels are group conversations that can be public or private. DMs are private conversations between you and another team member. Send messages. To send a message in a channel, click on the channel name and type your message in the message box at the bottom. For DMs, click on the team member's name and type your message. Share files and links. Drag and drop files into the message box or click the plus button to upload files from your computer or cloud services. Share links directly in your messages. Use mentions and emojis. Use @ followed by a username to mention someone, ensuring they see your message. Add emojis to react to messages or convey tone. Search and organize. Use the search bar at the top to find specific messages, files, or conversations. Use stars to mark important messages and pins to keep crucial information at the top of channels. Search and organize. Use the search bar at the top to find specific messages, files, or conversations. Use stars to mark important messages and pins to keep crucial information at the top of channels. Integrate apps and tools. Click on the plus button next to apps in the sidebar to add integrations like Google Drive, Trello, or Zoom to enhance your workflow. Warning: Slack can be an essential tool for communication, but be mindful of managing notifications and information overload. Set boundaries to maintain productivity and avoid burnout. For more tech tips and tutorials, consider subscribing to CyberTheo.